Over the weekend, the Mineral Resources Development Company traveled to Sugu Valley to present two brand new sawmills to rebuild homes lost during the conflict, costing around 200,000 kina to purchase and deliver to Sugu Valley. The sawmills were purchased using discretionary funds under Petroleum Resources Kutubu through MRDC Managing Director Augustine Mano and Southern Highlands Governor William Powie. Local leaders expressed their gratitude.
Education na top report na. You know working on the land and this land was them on life here. Oh moreover, me black and fight the like blondla. Me black fighting coming books like blondla. Me black pagaran area blondla like blondla. Na forma pagaran like blondla pap. We don't thank you on you because God is giving good nothing to you on top of this land.
During the ceremony, youths were cautioned not to consume home brew and drugs, factors which led to the 2019 tribal conflict.
Don't understand this road. Let a government must come go. Government service must flow through. None very must keep freedom. None very must work in most of.
The people of Sugu Valley were encouraged to embrace peace, rebuild their lives and live harmoniously.
Being upset my here. Sawmill or me I'm giving one am little something from physical la. Me stop no here am long so emotion. He can help. You must never lose hope. Me come long game this la.
Mano and Kagua-Erave local Augustine Rapa each announced a 10,000 kina contribution towards fuel supply to begin the rebuilding process. Sugu Valley became a war zone in 2019 after a drunken brawl among youths led to all-out warfare between 9 different tribes. The conflict led to 30 deaths, the destruction of public and private properties, closure of schools and health centers, and the displacement of thousands of locals. In January 2020, a ceasefire was called between warlords and local leaders with the goal of restoring peace and to bring back normalcy to Sugu Valley. Cedric Pajole, TV1 News.